Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ how you can achieve the perfect blush natural look during the summer. ये वीडियो आपके लिए especially useful होने वाली है अगर आपकी oily skin है and sweat prone skin है during the summers. So जो भी oily skin वाले लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं to watch till the end.
तो अभी I don't have anything on my face right now. I've just washed it and come. So what we'll start with is सबसे पहले हम लगाएंगे एक बहुत ही लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइज़र because obviously for summers so that your skin doesn't get very cakey after applying the makeup. So after applying the moisturizer you just let it dry for like 5 minutes ताकि आपकी skin अच्छे से absorb कर ले and उसके बाद now we'll come to the main products. So basically हमारे जो भी main products हैं for this video they are in this small cute box, all of them. These are all your summer essential makeup. So let me just quickly open this box and show you कि इसमें क्या क्या है. So this is the Bollywood Filter by Renee. आपने इसके बहुत सारे वीडियोस ऑलरेडी देखे होंगे. It's out there on Instagram and YouTube everywhere. It's a very good primer basically because you will see why actually. So as you can see this is a one of a kind primer. ये pink color का है. It's a pink color gel and it instantly mattifies your face. पूरा oil निकल जाता है. It instantly reduces all your fine lines as well. So I'm just gonna apply a bit and you can like see it for yourself. So as you can see, I've applied the Bollywood filter right now, just that over a moisturizer, that's it. And you can obviously already start seeing a difference. The skin is much smoother. It has a mousse-like finish, so it's very smooth and that means it's obviously very smooth for makeup application on your face. Alright, other than that, it has an amazing fragrance. It has a very fruity smell. Again, very unique for a primer क्योंकि primers में usually कोई fragrance नहीं होता है. So it smells really good and that's why you already have that fresh feeling going on. Now next what we are going to apply is again a one of a kind product. Like I've never seen something like this before. I'm going to use this for the first time and this is the RENEE Shiner Gloss Stick. Now usually जो आपको market में मिलता है they are like they are serums, they are like pre-makeup oils and serums जो आपको हाथ में लेके skin पे apply करना पड़ता है. So that becomes very difficult when you're traveling, right? But what they have come up with is a shiner gloss stick and this is actually very easy to apply and it also looks pretty classy. Just look at this. So as you can see, this is a very one of a kind shiner. It has a very classy look. It looks very cute. It's portable and now we are going to apply it and see how it looks on my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, on my forehead, a little bit on the nose and chin. Now we'll just dab it in so that it looks normal and it gives that glassy effect to your skin. Wow, I just love the effect this has on my face. Just look at this. I mean, after this, I don't even find the need to apply a highlighter. Next, what we have is a foundation stick by Renee. Now again, what I love about Renee Cosmetics is that they make very portable products. And also, they make it as per Indian skin tone as well. So this foundation stick that I'm using right now, it's chai tea. According to my complexion, I've chosen the chai tea foundation. So what you can see over here is कि इसके एक side पर foundation stick है, which is obviously easy to apply on your face. And then on the other side, they've given you a brush. So it comes with a foundation brush within itself, so you don't have to carry an extra brush to your office or college or school. You just need to carry this little cute foundation stick and that's it. Let's also apply some on the under eyes. Now, if you noticed, I have not applied foundation on the upper lip area and over here. Usually these are the spots which are very notorious for getting sweaty when you're out in heat. So best to not apply anything in these areas particularly of your face. Even forehead का ऊपर वाला part जो है, that you need to avoid, because again that is also a very sweat prone area and you don't want your makeup flowing away or getting cakey. Now using this brush, I'm just gonna blend it out. So as you can see, I have totally blended out all the foundation on my face, and honestly I have zero complaints when it comes to the coverage, because as you can see मेरे सारे dark spots conceal हो चुके हैं using this foundation stick, and also मुझे concealer की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. It has very well concealed my dark circles, my dark spots, and also it's giving a matte finish to my face. While because of the shiner that we used earlier, I have shine on my face just at the right spots. And now finally we are going to use my favorite product by Renee, which is the Renee Black PH Stick. I have to say this is my favorite product by Renee. This is a product that I have reordered myself multiple times, and I have suggested this to all my friends because it simply works like magic. This is the most natural lip balm that I've ever come across, because the tint just goes with whatever skin tone you have. Like you can see over here, this is basically black in color, okay? But as soon as you apply it on your lips, within a few seconds you will just start seeing that it's turning pink. So basically what it does and why it actually goes along with all skin tones is because this lip balm basically changes the color of your lips as per the pH of your lips, because of which it will just give you the perfect pink shade which will make it look natural and it will go with your skin tone. So as you can see, just after a few seconds of applying this lip balm, just look at the color. Just look at the color, the pigmentation, and you know how it's so glossy. It's actually very good for your lips as well, because it's very highly hydrating for your lips, and it also gives a glossy effect, and it's totally natural. Now I'm going to do this thing which will basically give your face like a nice soft blush effect as well, and a nice glassy shine to your face. So what I'll do is I will reapply a little bit of the shiner on my cheeks and over the eyes, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pH stick and apply a little bit on the cheeks and above the eyes. Now I'm just going to dab it into my skin. So now as you can see, I've dabbed it on my cheekbones and over here instead of the eyeshadow, and you can already see that there's a blush effect, and it's very natural. Like it's a very natural blush effect that I'm getting on my face. So now as you can see that this is a very, you know, non-oily, non-greasy kind of a look that we are getting. It's making your skin look fresh, and other than that, it's not even gonna get like, you know, smudged because of sweat and everything, because it's not applied on regions which are sweat prone. So girls, I'm now ready to beat the heat with Renee Cosmetics. Are you? Do you want to see any more such videos? If yes, then do like and subscribe. Until then girls, look classy and stay savage.